Okay, I'm going to kind of try to give you the Reader's Digest version of the spark plugs on this. This is a 2011, but there's a lot of years of the same. So, Equinox, loosen this clamp. There's another clamp down underneath here that's the same. And the air cleaner should just lift right out. And then they obviously got to have this thing off too. I can't really see it right here. Remove the PVC valve or return or whatever that is. Take the oil cap off, spark plug, remove the oil cap, you pull this thing off, and you have access to the spark plugs. So let's do it at high speed. Real quick things to know, this just pulls out. This here, to get these loose, see if I can get you guys up nice and close. Normally they'll be in here, right? And then, so there's this little clip right here. You have to pull this out. I use a screwdriver to do it. And you push down right here, and then it comes out. That's how you get the clips off. To put them back on, you make sure you put them on, snap them back in so they're locked. Real quick, I'll show you. Hopefully you can see all that. Back in, snapped in place, locked. Goes back together same way it came apart. Hope you like the Reader's Digest versions of this stuff. I hate watching those really long intros and everything else. Just trying to get the information to you guys. They're going to do your spark plugs. Of course, blow it off before you pull them out. That's always good too. You know, I did that off camera, but before I pulled the spark plugs out, with the coils out, give it a quick blow in the holes, and that helps keep debris from falling inside the engine. This is what that thing hooks on. Kind of just hooks on those things in the back. And the other one has 4 pins here, or 3. A pin, and a pin for the valve cover to go on. That's what they're hooked on. Talk to you next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Just want to tell you guys real quick how to diagnose typically, I mean, this is your backyard method. I mean, you should have an oscilloscope. There's a lot of ways to really accurately diagnose spark plug misfires, but let me just give you the rule of thumb. As an ASE master auto technician from in the 90s, I've been working on these before they had computers to tell us what was wrong. Well, we had oscilloscopes and stuff like that. We could tell if you could read a graph, you know, but not many people can do that even today. What it normally was, here's the rule of thumb, is if you have a misfire, okay, and it's at idle, typically that's more spark plug related issue. So if it's actually missing and it's not some sort of fuel problem, that's going to tell you it's more than likely spark plugs. If it's under a load, so if you're going up a hill and it starts sputtering going up a hill, today there's less of the issues. That was always spark plug wires back in the old days. That was more of a spark plug wire related issue. Today it would probably be a coil related issue. So you could have a leak in your coil misfiring as it goes under a load. That's the basic rule of thumb. It's not like a one size fits all, you know, type of thing, but if you're having a misfire and it's at idle, and you're sitting in a light, your car is going ding, 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 ding. Check the spark plug first. It's usually the issue. But anyway, talk to you later. Hopefully that helps you. Please like, share, and subscribe.